restaurant and eating out. Waiter. W-A-I-T-E-R. Waitress. W-A-I-T-R-E-S-S. Or a server. So this would be the service, or you could also call them wait staff, the wait staff, or the service. I want to eat, well, let's say you're tired and you don't want to cook, or you don't want to wash dishes at home. You don't want to do the dishes, you don't want to cook. You want to eat out. In fact, maybe you could, if you don't want to go outside, you could have someone deliver food to you. You could order takeout. At the restaurant, how many in your group? This is another way to say a group that's eating at a restaurant. They call them a party. Yay, party! But it's different than party, like have fun party. Table or booth? So do you want a regular table with chairs, or would you prefer a booth, which would be like a table with two benches that have high back on the benches? I can't draw a back on a bench. So if you had a bench, what a horrible bench. If you had a bench and your bench has a high back chairs, so you can't see other people eating behind you or in front of you. It's kind of private feeling. And you say, oh, a booth would be nice for us. And she says, come with me, or follow me right this way. I already did that one, follow me. This is your waitress now. Offer you something to drink. This is your waitress. But this one here, follow me, that's probably not your waitress. That's probably the hostess or the host. The hostess or the host is the person who meets you at the door and controls where the guests sit and how many empty tables there are. How many empty tables at the restaurant. But now the waitress comes and says, can I offer you something to drink? And then you say, yeah, I would like some white wine, maybe some dry white wine. And she would like a Coke, maybe a small Coke. Okay, I'll be right back with that. I'll be right back, she might say. And then when she gets back with your drinks, she says, are you ready to order? Or she might say, what can I get? What can I get for you? What can I get for you? You might say something like this. For example, I'll have the shrimp cocktail for starters. You should know that that means appetizer. Appetizer, the starter. I'd like the prime rib, medium. I'd like the prime rib, medium, with a baked potato. Pardon me for the S that doesn't belong. Neither does the E. And butter. And can I get a side of vegetables? What do you have? What kind of vegetables do you have? And she might say something like, we have corn with bell peppers. You need to know these words, by the way. Corn, bell peppers. Or steamed green beans. Corn is fine. I'll have corn. And a Caesar salad with croutons. And to drink? This is the waitress here. The waitress is saying, and what would you like to drink? I'll take your IPA draft beer. Draft beer is beer in a glass that has foam on top. It's like the beer that they pour you when you have beer not in a bottle. Draft beer. A pint is how big it is. Great. And for you, what can I get you? Maybe she's talking to your girlfriend now or someone. She might say, can I take your order? Another thing you could hear in the restaurant. Will that be all? Is that all you want? Nothing else? Jeszcze nieco? Can I offer you some dessert? Notice it's not, can I offer to you some dessert? Can I offer you some dessert? No, this is a phrase, all set. I don't need anything else. I am all set. Can I can't, I'm full. I can't eat another bite. So I'm full. Check, please. This is the bill. Or the check. Some other things you could hear in the restaurant. You could ask your waitress, does the dressing come on a salad? Does the dressing come on the salad? Can I get it on the side? Maybe you don't like the dressing. She can deliver it in another plate. Or you could say, this is overcooked or burnt. Can I get another? Or can you remove it from the check? I don't want to pay for it. Can you take it off the check? Can we get separate checks? Will this be on one check? She might ask you, the waitress might say, is one person paying? Or is this going to be separate checks?